What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I want to show you how to use chamfer inside Autocad Civil 3D application. So I'm going to open up Civil 3D application, and then quickly I'm going to add the drawing that we're going to use. So you can add yours so that you can also follow along. So I have this drawing, and there are three roads and two intersections. I want to show you how to do road truncation. So road truncation is normally you just don't introduce a road truncation. So when you are planning, or say you are doing a land subdivision, and maybe there is a road intersection, one of the requirements that you are required to do is to do what to call road truncation, and this normally to give vehicles a simple time or humble time navigating this truncation. So truncations is normally calculated. You just don't introduce truncations. We normally find we normally take the width of the small road, then we multiply by a half. So for example, at this intersection, for you to have a truncation, you need to find a half of 9, because 9 is now the small road compared to 15 meters road. So you cut this by 4.5, both 4.5, to have that truncation. Same way on this other side. And then this, let's first of all measure this, and then this, I guess this 12 meters. So let's change that. So this is 12. So if you want to find the truncation of at this particular intersection, you find at the half of 12, because 12 is the smaller road compared to 15 meters wide. So you multiply 12 by 0.5 to get the chamfer distance. So let's now start by doing that. By the tool that we're going to use, we said, is called a chamfer tool, and chamfer tool is normally found under the modify group. So by default we'll see fillet, but under fillet now we have also another one called chamfer. So you can either click on it, or if you have it pinned on the sidebar, you can also choose on it. This is the icon for chamfer. Another way is by command. You can just type CHA. CHA is the command for chamfer, and click enter. Now if you look carefully at the bottom of the command line, you will see that we have selections to make. So you need to select the method that you're going to use. You are going to use distance, so you can either type D, or you can just click on distance. For this case, let's just type D and click enter. So it's telling you to specify the first chamfer distance. So the first chamfer distance, we said, because 9 is the smaller road compared to 15, we get now a half of 9, which is 4.5. So we type in 4.50, click enter. This for this first line. For the second line, the same case, 4.5, and then click enter. So when you select the first line and you select the second line, you can see now we have a proper road truncation. So to make it maybe more visible, let's use another distance. Say let's say you want, let's select distance first. You want a chamfer of distance of 9 by, let's say, 3. We want to see the difference. We want this side to be 9 meters and this other one 3. Now you can see the difference. So that's how chamfer works. Let's do the proper chamfer. So sorry about that, not trim. Select chamfer again, and then distance. So this other one is also the same, 4.5, also 4.5. Click enter, select the first line, select the second line. You can now see at this junction now we have proper road truncation. Now vehicles can now pass in properly, actually without much hassle. So let's move to this other intersection. So we said we actually calculate road truncation by multiplying a half by the small road width. For this case, we can see 12 compared to 15. 12 is small. Now we're going to multiply a half by 12. We get 6 meters. So our chamfer distance is going to be 6 meters. So type CHA command for chamfer, and then type D for distance, because you're supposed to make a selection at the bottom here at the command line, and enter, click enter, and then this time round our chamfer distance is going to be 6 meters, as you said earlier, because 12 by 0.5 is 6. Click enter. The second distance 6 meters, enter. Select the first line, select the second line. We have now a road truncation. Repeat the same process. Select chamfer, click on distance. The first line is 6.0 meters, 6.0 meters, and click enter. Select the first line and then select the second line. Let's do that again. Chamfer, or just do CHA, and then distance you said is 6 meters, enter. 6 meters, enter. You select the first line and then select the second line. So now we can see that we have now proper road truncation of these roads. This is one of the requirements or one of the conditions that were given when you do subdivision, and then you make such access roads that have intersections. You need to make road truncation so that this is actually for surrender. So when you do this, this is not now part of this parcel. It is part of this road and is now surrendered to the local authorities. So just remember that road truncation is normally calculated by multiplying 0.5 or a half by or dividing the small road by a half multiply by the small road by 0.5. Yes, that's it for this tutorial. I hope I was clear, and I hope you find it helpful. So see you in the next one.